What's happening, fam? How's everything? Hope everybody's doing well. Check this out real quick. So this is a seal package from Blackstone Labs where I'm going to be comparing the oil for Motul and Amsoil. So I already have my Motul results in. I had that in a long time ago, and I ran the Amsoil for longer and only on E85. No pump gas was run like the Motul, so I abused the Amsoil stuff. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this bag open. Today I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm actually preparing my car to have a major engine build done, so I'm going to be taking off the oil cooler and stuff like that. So this is a good time to put some oil into the system and or this canister and send it out to be tested. If you guys want to independently test your oil, reach out to Blackstone. They send you the stuff. I think it's around like 40 bucks or whatever the case might be. So here we go. Show you guys. There's my scissor. This is how it comes. They send you some stickers, blah, 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 blah. Once you fill it up, this is the stuff right here. Take this out, okay? You gotta open it up, fill out all your information here. They give you obviously your name, credit card number, blah, blah, blah. Or you could call them on the phone and pay for it. So once you send it out, you could actually call them on the phone and pay for them. Yeah, you have your engine year, make, model, all of that stuff, and how much, how many miles you ran the oil, blah, 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 and you can check off what you want to have tested. After you fill this vial up, wrap it back up, put it in this bag, put it in here, and this is their shipping label. You just put it in your mailbox, and that is it. Okay? It's very simple, self-explanatory stuff. Let's go. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I already showed you the beginning of that video, so now I'm gonna fill up that vial. Where the hell is it? It is so freaking hot today. The one day I freaking picked, to do this shit, it's freaking 90 degrees. So this is my Fumoto system right here, guys. I'm gonna just drain some. This is the locking pin that they have right here. You just pop that off. Pop that off. Give me a sec. I just hit my head on something. I don't know what the fudge I hit it on. Ouch. That shit freaking hurt. All right, and this got this nice and easy. Just get just a little bit. And that's it. Nice, no spilling. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Close that bad boy up. No issues. Let me smell this. Actually, it still smells damn good. I'll tell you that much. All right, guys. So obviously, as I told you before, the reason why I'm getting this tested is to just prove to you guys how much superiority Amsoil has over the Motul stuff. I used to be a big Motul fanboy. Now, guys, I told you before, with the Motul stuff, I ran pump gas and E85. It was a mixture, and the report came back, and I would tell you right now, the report wasn't fantastic as you might think. Now, with the Amsoil stuff, guys, I've been running that in my wife's car. She has over 200,000 miles on that Kia. I'm running it on my truck. Right now, my truck has it's been 7,000 miles on the Amsoil, like still running strong. The oil is not even black. And this car, I ran this car over 1,000 miles and just E85 every single fill up. No pump gas. And guys, for a fact, Amsoil, what manufacturer would put on their full synthetic oil that it can last for up to 25,000 miles? I don't see anybody besides them. And the reason why I love this oil so much, and the reason why guys with especially running E85 would want to use this, is because of its high TBN. TBN, it's total base number. So the higher the TBN in the oil, the more alkaline the oil will remain, which means it will be more resistant to breakdown, especially on E85. You get what I'm saying? So because E85 is fantastic for the motor as far as making power, but it will degrade the shit out of your oil. That's the reason why a lot of guys who run E85 on whatever oil they use, and they're changing it every 1,000, maybe 1,500 miles, and that's a stretch. You know what I'm saying? When I was running Motul, I was changing mine every 900 miles, 1,000 miles. So that's the reason why. And obviously I'm over 1,000 miles, way over 1,000 miles already. So I already got the report back for the Motul stuff a while ago. Since obviously I don't drive this car that much, it took me a little bit to do this. I'll be sending this out, and Blackstone will do the reading, and that will be pretty much it. And then I can go over the comparison. All right, so that's really it, guys, for this. And this is just a quick update, and then I'll talk to you guys soon once I get the results back. Oh, and obviously, guys, make sure you wipe everything down. This is my Fumoto locking device right here. I'm gonna place this back, so in case you're worried that it's gonna move, but it's not gonna move. And obviously, guys, once you bring your car down from the ramps or what have you, double check your oil and top it off just in case. All right, guys, so definitely we gotta check now. This is the mileage when we're filling out the information for the stuff for Blackstone. Let's see, on the oil, 1,371 miles. 1371.8 miles on the Amsoil Signature Series oil. So that's what we're going to be putting on the form to send back. Okay, so this is the stuff right here you got to fill out, guys. Obviously, engine make, Subaru engine model, the EJ257, 2.5 liter. Fuel type, I checked other, E85. Sample date, obviously the date whenever you do it. How much miles you elapsed on the oil. So pretty much I let it go for 1371. And how much miles you have on your engine, how much oil you added in between the, like till now, and the oil type, obviously Amsoil Signature Series 5W30. Then you got to fill out the back. Obviously, if you want your credit card information or whatever the case might be. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to fill that information out. What I'm going to do is just fill out the small stuff in the back right here. Was the oil changed when the sample is taken? Then I'll call them and pay them by phone. Simple and easy. All right? All right, so you put your paper in here. Nice and easy. Take this bottle right here. Wrap it up in this sheeting right here, just in case anything was to fall or leak out, it would absorb it. So wrap it up nice and tight, just like that. Okay. Drop that bad boy in there like that. So you have your paper that you filled out in there, you have your sample in here, and you're good to go. And now all you got to do, cover this bad boy, which I'm going to do right now, and that is it. So once the sample comes back, I'll definitely be doing a comparison between both the Motul and the Amsoil, and we'll see where we are. All right, guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will talk to y'all soon. Take it easy.